spot. I got sunset and we'll be right down the line here.
Long Beach, right there.
Yeah.
Can't believe how clear it is.
Gorgeous. Yeah, I don't want to leave California. It's a thought that crosses my mind, I guess, somewhat. Hence my saying that.
Up on a guy. Oh, he was up on that wave. Maybe somebody else will catch it.
You have to do that. See, it fades out right there in the middle, but you have to do that weird hop and ride thing to keep going in order for it to break again. Somebody's going to try to catch it. Okay.
Nope. They all let it go. Wasn't good.
Both waves.
Yeah.